Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine and staying safe. My name is Harleen, and on this channel I just create random day in my life kind of videos, some shopping hauls. So today I just thought, why not I vlog my Saturday. I just finished my evening tea, so now I'm going to show you little small business things. So if you don't know, I operate a small business where I sell cute pajama sets, like handmade pajama sets in Canada. And let me show you, I actually had a little sale over the weekend, like on Friday actually. So now I have to pack so many orders, which I'm so grateful for. Let me show you those. And I also want to show you this very cute little order that I got from SHEIN. As you know, school season is just about to begin, and I got really good bags and some stationery, which I am about to show you. So let's get started. By the way, I also need to show you this ultra human ring that I got for my birthday. It actually tracks your sleep, your temperature, so many things, and it was on 30% off at Costco, so I just got it. My husband also got a matching ring in golden, so yeah, I'm excited to try this. So yeah, if you can see here, this is where I sorted all my pajama sets, and then these are some packages that are already packed. I need to pack all of these, but I ran out of my bags, so I just ordered these. So yeah, let's pack all the orders and then show you a little haul. Back to school sale is on SHEIN, so let me show you a few pieces that I got. I'll put the link in the description box below. I'll also put my discount code, so don't forget to check that. You all know how much I love these jute bags. So it has these beautiful brown beads. So this is the first bag that I got. Perfect, you can match it with so many outfits. Second is this brown bag. It is also very pretty. It can actually fit your iPad as well, so it is like a leather bag. I'll get a cute keychain to put it with this bag. So yeah, this is the brown bag that I got. Ordered is this cute scrapbook kind of stickers. I want to make a painting with all my pictures, like a Japan diary kind of thing, so I'll be using these for that. It has like a sellotape, so many cute stickers. See, pouch, it is in pink with black bows on it. Next I got is this crochet bag. It has very pretty flowers on it. It is like multicolored. I can pair it with so many different dresses. Another one is this very pretty tote bag. It is in white. I ordered is this jute bag, very pretty, beige with brown. Yeah, that was my little SHEIN haul. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give a thumbs up, and I will be back with more such videos. Bye bye.